Hello and welcome to Mickey Art. My name is Michelle Edhouse and I am away from home at the moment. I am visiting my mother. She had a bit of a fall on Tuesday, and so I'm up here just being her serving maid and helping her out, you know, as you do. So on my way out the door I grabbed my porcelain paints because I thought, well, I don't need to mix them, I don't need to do anything to them, but I can paint for you. So I just thought I'd show you this. I love this. This is so cool. Check it out. This is one of my paintings put onto a travel mug, digitally. I had it printed, and then keep calm and pour paint. No matter what you're doing, whatever's happening, keep calm and pour paint. It's a great travel mug. I really love it. If you want one, check out my website, mickeyart.com/shop, and it's a double-sided tin mug, and you can buy them and have them shipped directly to you, looking basically identical to this. How's it get any better? And they're dishwasher safe. Talking of dishwasher safe, that's why I'm using these, because I'm pouring on a mug. If you haven't caught some of my porcelain paint videos before, I've been using this porcelain 150 from Peebo, if it's said correctly. I don't know whether that's said correctly or not. I just bought it on Amazon. So if you want to grab some too, there's the link in the description. I'm going to get this out of the way. So today I am pouring on this mug, which I picked up from our local New World supermarket, and because the design goes all the way to the top, I am going to be pouring all the way to the top, but and this actually says not to put it, don't put the paint where it's going to be in contact with the food. Well, sorry, that's not happening. I am pouring outside right beside a road, so I apologise profusely if there is extracurricular noises going on around. So I've got Mum's candle holder wrapped in a plastic bag, and I'm going to sit that on top of there, and then we'll pour the paint around the lip. I've put the masking tape on the inside so that if any does just sort of fall in, it's not going to go into where the cup's going. But hey, let's give this a go. Now I've got plenty of black left, quite a bit of green left, and so I'm going to throw in a bit of white and a bit of yellow, just because I can, and I'll do another one another day with the other colours. So there's not actually a lot of paint required for one of these mugs, although I am wanting to cover it completely, and I have found that the black tends to be a bit transparent once it's dry. So let's see what's required and what gets created. One thing I am going to do that's a little bit different to what I've done in the past is I'm going to just pre-coat with the black down the bottom, but of course I didn't bring a brush with me at all, so I'm going to grab a piece of what's this stuff called? Newspaper. Got my mother's disease. Forgetful. Just pour a bit. The cool thing about this Peebo stuff is it is actually in a pourable consistency before you start. So, and as you can see, it is quite see-through. That first coat does come out really clear. Actually, I might change my plan. I'm just going to pour the black directly on the cup. And then just tilt it. So those of you that haven't done any acrylic pouring before, this is what we call creating a negative space. And what it does is it creates a runny painted surface for the pouring to pour down over. If you've watched some of my previous mug pours, you'll know that I've had to do some pulling down of the paint, which I'm not overly fussed about doing. Let's try and even that up a little bit. But hopefully this will give us a base that will pour down on as such. Now I also didn't bring anything to wear, so I'm not wiping my hands on my clothes like I normally would. Okay, so let's get some paint into our little pot. So, zoom you in so you can see that. So I found that these colours do transparent quite considerably. You just need grab a stick, and what I did last time to get the silicone in was I put some silicone on the stick and then poured the paints down the stick so that the silicone kind of got mixed. Like that. So we've got some black, we've got some green, we've got a honeybee come to visit. Let's put a bit more black in there. Bit more green. Bye baby. Bit more yellow. And a bit more white. So I've got about 20 ml of paint, which is about 2/3 of an ounce. And with the extra paint that's already on the cup, that is heaps. Heaps. So what's going to be the easiest way for me to do this? Just give that a slight stir like that. And finding it rather hard to see whether or not this screen is giving you a good shot, so I apologise if it's not great. Oops, over top. So sorry, it's out of shot a couple of times there. Oh, I have gone inside the mug. I'm just going to go around that top bit above the handle and see what that creates. Oh, pretty! I'm gonna leave it at that and just let that run. Sit it down on top of there. No, that's not really working. Now, as you can see, I got some inside. That's not cool. I'm gonna go and get tissues and see if I can get that out. Alright. Being at my mum's house. Trying to get back in the house without getting paint on the door handle. This is fun. Alright, I'll clean the rest out of there with a wet cloth once the paint has set just a little bit. I really like this side, that's super cool. I'm going to set that back down on there. Keep my tape down. And then I'm going to grab this is a little creme brulee torch. And I'm just going to torch the sides of it. Where are you, Mug? There you go. So, the silicone I've put in is, where are you? There. Durex Play Perfect Glide. It's 100% dimethicone, and so don't be put off by the fact that it's sold in the personal lubricant department. It's a great, I've been using it all year and it's fantastic for this. Stop it, I hear your brains. So just torching the edges, hoping there's going to be some silicone pop up and say hello, which there is around here. It's cool. I will take you around and show you it all, I promise. I promise. I just don't have my lazy Susan here to spin it round. Okay, let me get you down and show you what we've got. There we go. Not so cells on this side, but there's some cool ones on that side. I like those. Yes, I did put some plastic down on Mum's patio so that she doesn't get paint all over the patio. If you can hear it dripping. Okay, so I'm going to let this dry, and then once it's dry Mum will let me bring it inside and I'll be able to show you it properly. Let me see if I can get a better shot of that for you. Anyway, I'm just going to call it quits here for now, and I'll be back as soon as it's dry. And your time, that'll be 3, 2, 1. Alright, here it is. How cool is this? Oh my god, I love it. It's so pretty. Check out the beauty that this paint has created. It is just stunning. It looks to me like a mossy waterfall Look at that, it looks like the water pouring over the rocks. And then you've got the multiple layers. Let me see if I can do this. Look at that. It's so pretty. So pretty. I love it. In fact, I love it so much, I signed it. How does it get any better than that? This is just beautiful. I love it. Love it a lot. And before any of you comment, yes, I know, I'm not supposed to go where the lips go, but I got the wrong sort of mug. So it goes the whole way up. But I'm glad of that because this piece here is beautiful. So as I said, I am visiting my mum at the moment, being some support for her after her accident. So the videos may not be daily, but I'm definitely around. And we are having a conversation in the Acrylic Pouring for Fun Facebook group as to what magic we can create in August. So if you'd like to have some input, got any suggestions about what we should choose as our August challenge, please come join us and find that thread and let's have some fun. What magic can we create together on our own? And what if all of life could come to you with ease and joy and glory? And that started by choosing to have fun with everything you be and do. I adore you all. Thank you for coming to play. Thank you for watching. And I will see you in another video super soon. Bye bye.